Hello lover guys, welcome back to another episode here on our channel. Just gonna go take you guys through preparations on Saturday for Sunday Tonai. What the usual preparation is for any Samoan family. Samoan families that do still carry out doing umu on Sundays. Some families buy it, some families don't even bother, they do the saka. But this is the usual process of preparing the umu for Sundays, always preparing it on Saturday. So I'll take you guys through that today, and I hope you guys enjoy the content today. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share our channel, and we'll catch you guys in a bit. So most important thing is as with any chef, prep work before the kitchen opens is the most important thing. So that's why we clean it up on Saturday, is to prep everything before Sunday. Now when preparing the stuff for the umu on Sunday, the most important thing you have to remember is food, fuel, and I don't know how to say it in English, but umu, so like the coverings or whatever you need to cover it. So that's why we've got banana leaves. That's not all, we're gonna get more. See, over there already working on cleaning the kitchen area. We've already got taro, we've got wood, so fuel check, which is the wood, taro, food check, and then the stove. So we're just gonna quickly do that, and I'll show you guys as we go along. Got a few more banana leaves here. So what we do is when we cut it, we actually take off this hard stem at the back, just to make it more malleable, bendable when we use it during the umu. So that's why not only we chop it in half, but the bottom half, which has the bulk of the stem, take that off too. So we've got some more banana leaves here. I'm just gonna head over to the taro plantation next to the house. We've got some tamu leaves. Now that's one of my favorites. So those yellow ones there, tamu leaves is one of my favorites because it's got a larger leaf span and can cover more of the umu than the banana leaves. So let's go get some. Should be enough. So we got our tamu leaves there, our banana leaves, and one pineapple. Just finished chopping up some wood, getting the pig's food ready. See over there, just burning some of the rubbish. It's a bit too close to the firewood, so containing the fire a bit and cleaning up the kitchen. Saturday preps. We'll see how we go from here. Alright guys, another important thing to make sure to check on Saturdays, if you have enough eoffies or the tongs, sort of like the tongs to handle the hot rocks. And in my kitchen I sort them out and size it. So you've got the big one, that's for me. There you go. We've got the big one for me, got the slightly medium one, then you've got the medium one here, and you've got the small one for the baby, in case there's a baby that comes in the back here to do the umu, because in Samoa everyone has to go do the umu. So you might even catch a baby in the back here doing the umu. Alright, just waiting for the rubbish to die down, the fire, so that it doesn't go across, spread towards the firewood. After that, then we'll head down to the pig farm and feed the pigs. Most of it's sorted now. Alright guys, I think that's it from us. I think I'm gonna sign off now. Already got the luaus. Tara and Ulu's in the back. Uncle's getting the coconuts. Tawakame getting the coconuts and the banana from the plantation, and then should be set. So I think I'm gonna sign off, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Just want to say thank you again, guys, for the support. Really appreciate it. Channel's growing really well, and it's all because of you guys, so thank you again, guys. But that's it from us, guys. We're going to sign off. Make sure to check out our Sunday cooking episode once it comes out, which is tomorrow is when I'm actually making it, but it might come out later on in the night. So we'll see you guys then. But until then, God bless, take care, stay safe, see you.